Hey, what's up, guys? I'm here tonight. Working on all this shit. I have a power supply over there. It's a piece of shit. Phase 3. I don't even know who makes the fucking thing. Kenna? Junk. And I built some. You've seen, I have a good one right there by Pyramid. And I built that one, which is garbage. So, we're going to do a box opening, guys. And this is what I ordered. A DC regulated power supply. Let's see what we got here. A little summary. Do not ignore. This is very important. Widely LED. Just tells you little bits of odds and ends about it. I already know about a fucking power supply. Alright, man, we'll start out with, got some fucking alligator clip leads. Yay. Got a power cord. Tons of those. And we got a handle right here. Alrighty. Let's get to it. I need that. I need that. Alrighty, we are in. Let's get this plastic off here. I always try to budget and save bags. Hold on, let me use this. Get this off it. What a pain in the ass. Anyways, I try to budget and save bags anytime I can because you never know when you're going to need one. Let me get this out of the box real quick. Alright, sorry. DC power supply. There we are in. Let's go to the back of it here. It's got a fan. Place for the plug. Probably could have built one of these. This is a 10 amp, 30 volt power supply. I saw what made me want to get this. I saw Mazda with one. Mazda 2286 or whatever his name is. I know it's Mazda. He's on the channel. Let's unplug this little one. Plug this big bitch in. Alright, so we got power. Alright, let's see what we got here. What did I do wrong here? Oh. No, it's on. It was already on. You have to turn some switch. And tell me to open it out of the box broke, for fuck's sakes. Hold on, let me see. Maybe the cord is not. Oh shit. Something was wrong here. I just tripped the breaker. Hold on. Let me pause you.